I just built an AI voice employee that would call all of my customers as soon as they purchase my product to offer them upsells and check in to make sure that they're happy with their purchase. The people that this AI called were not even able to tell that it wasn't a human, and they were so happy that they got a personalized call from what they thought was a human that all of their buyer's remorse was erased almost immediately. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can build the same type of voice AI employee for your business, and I'm going to show you all of the different tools you'll need in order to make it perform perfectly. First, let me show you a sneak peek of what this AI voice employee can sound like once it's fully finished.
Have you also tried out our second product yet?
No. What's your second product?
Our second product complements the first one really well.
Okay, so that was me speaking to the AI voice employee, which I know is crazy, and it sounds so damn real. So now I'm going to walk you through exactly how I built this and how you can do the same thing for yourself. All right, so right now I'm within the first tool that you're going to need called Nova Echo AI. So I'm going to come over to Agents and Voice Agent. And this is actually the platform that you're going to use to build the voice AI employee, and it does everything for you. It's super simple. So then you're going to press outbound. Then there's 38 different language options to choose from. When I was setting this up for somebody, they needed both a multilingual English and Spanish agent because they were calling people and they didn't know which of those languages they actually spoke. So we're going to do the multilingual Spanish and English. We're going to pick a phone number here, and you can have any phone number you want in any area code. Then we're going to put the opening message, which is the first thing the AI says when it's calling somebody. So we're going to say, hey, thank you so much for buying my product. Don't mind the spelling, okay? First name, and then we're going to put, how are you today? Okay, perfect. Then we have a bunch of different voices we can choose from. I'm going to choose a multilingual voice since we did the multilingual Spanish and English. I'm going to go with Margarita. Then we're going to scroll down here, and we are going to do the double call feature. What this does is it calls people twice in a row if they don't pick up the first time. So that can get past Do Not Disturb. It can make sure that people pick up if they think it's a call that they should be getting or whatever, and it just increases pickup rates in general. We're going to do voicemail detection on, which means if it detects a voicemail, it's just going to hang up because I don't feel like leaving people voicemails right now. We're going to put the ad creativity at 0.8, which means it's going to be more creative. It's going to have a flowy conversation with them. It's going to be innovative while it's talking. We're going to put the sensitivity on high and sensitive just so it's very fast. Cool. Then we're going to scroll down here and we're going to create our script. So I'm going to make a basic script here, but for the instructions, I'm going to say you are calling someone named first name, and you can pass in variables. All right, so this is a super basic script that I just built out for this AI agent, but it's still going to work. Now, when we typically build out entire agents, we'll usually have a script that's 5 to 10 times longer than this with all kinds of prompt engineering and scripting, and there's certain ways that you can create agents to make them perform way better. But that can all be explained in other videos. In this video, I just want to explain how you can quickly get an agent set up for this. So now everything's done. The script is you're calling someone named first name, your name is Stella, and your job today is to call people who have purchased a product and speak to them to make sure they're happy with their purchase. Then, if they're happy, try to upsell them. If they're not happy, you find out why, basically. So that's the goal of this agent. So now we're going to press launch call, and we're going to type in my phone number. It's going to give me a call, and then I will show you guys what it actually sounds like live. All right, and now it's calling me, so I'm going to answer.
Hey, thank you so much for buying my product. How are you today?
Hey, I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. So, what do you think of our product so far?
The product seems really nice.
That's great to hear. I'm glad you're enjoying it. Have you also tried out our second product yet?
No. What's your second product?
Our second product complements the first one really well. It's designed to enhance your experience even further. Would you be interested in learning more about it?
Yeah, sure. That sounds interesting. I mean, the first one's great, so if the second one complements it, then why not?
Absolutely. I think you'll really like it. The second product offers additional features that can make your overall experience even better. It's all about getting the...
So it did all that, with literally me spending about a minute and a half writing this script, which is not good. It is a bad script with bad prompt engineering. There pretty much is no prompt engineering, just a little bit. So that's how powerful this AI is. This is all the context you have to give it for it to perform that well. Now imagine if you gave it pages of well-written, prompt engineered professionally context. Yeah, it can get pretty crazy. It can get pretty crazy pretty fast. So that's what's so exciting. So now what we can do is we can save this agent right here. Then we can jump right in over here to the Nova Flow. And we can press create workflow. I'm going to press start from scratch. We'll add a new trigger. And the trigger is going to be order form submission. And we're going to press save trigger. And then we can create a call webhook. And that's what we would do. And what this is going to do for us is whenever an order form is submitted, which means somebody has bought one of our products, we then have a webhook just like this that will shoot a call over to Nova Echo AI that will tell Nova Echo AI to shoot a call to the person that just purchased our product. And what this is going to do for us is going to make it so that every single time somebody submits an order, they get a call instantaneously. They will get a phone call immediately. And that is what is so cool about this. And the thing that makes AI so damn powerful is its speed. And that's why we want to take advantage of it. Then after this, we can perform all kinds of other actions based around this call. So for example, if we make this call, and we can just call it call. And there's some other things you have to do here, which I can show you in another video. If we make this call and then the person does not pick up, we can then have it automatically send them a text and an email saying, hey, we just gave you a call. If you want to give us a call back, shoot us a call here. And then we can put the number to an inbound Nova Echo AI agent, which they can call, which will have the same script, which can upsell them. So there's all kinds of different ways that we can automate this process, but it all begins in Nova Flow and Nova Echo AI from the order form submission. So if you want to get access to every single tool that you saw in this video, then you can go to the description down below, click the link and book a call with the Nova Echo AI team, and they'll explain to you exactly how this works and how it can be implemented in your business in even more depth than I just explained to you now. They'll also answer any questions you have, explain the pricing structure, and get you set up if you are ready to go. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video and learn about voice AI. And if you want to see another use case for this AI and how we used it for support and how you can do the same thing, then click right here.